stress, and this one is straight for the girl them. Enrique Iglesias, alongside Enter the Zona.
Look at the way these waves are really spilling in today. High tide on Fort Lauderdale Beach. I'm probably not in the safest of positions here. And the riptide along the shore is really epic.
You look at me and girl, you take me to another place. Got me feeling like I'm flying, like I'm out in space.
The water is wicked out there. There's nobody swimming. So am I gonna go out and try to brave the riptide? You betcha I'm gonna do it. Throwing on my goggles right now. Body surfing in the breakers is one of the greatest ways to be alive. So afterwards I made up some lunch, a little grounding. I'm basically making cheeseburgers. Okay, I've been a little hungry for some beef, and this is the easy cheeseburger, the Go Sun burger, and basically all you have to do is eat it on a hot dog bun, which I'm going to show you next. I've drained these, drained this red meat like once, so very close to done. After lunch was done, I paid the parking meter, put a sport on the roof of the van, and took the Go out to the beach. We're roasting up. This is the Tamari tahini roasted almonds. I wanted you to hear.
Keep me begging, keep me open at the night, don't stop.
Coming back and stuff's overcooked. That'll be really nice with those other treats that we've got. After another stellar lunch and putting back a bunch of spare reserves with these almonds, I headed west out towards the Everglades, where I was shocked to see fires over the open fields of grass. I made it to a campground just in time to catch some of that last bit of golden light and meet some new friends. I'm so much more comfortable out here in the Everglades than I was in that busy beach of southeast Florida. Found a bunch of gators and I'm right at home.